So this is a very interesting preparation we are trying to go for today, and this preparation is Kacha Rajma and Palak. We already have our Palak for the day chopped and kept ready. The coarsely chopped spinach is now transferred into the frying pan. Now we're going to add some water to it and bring it to a simmer. So now this is going to make Palak pre-cook a little so that it's going to give you a cooked taste and not a raw taste. We add the raw beans into a tumbler of water and put it again onto the stove and get them to boil. Add a pinch of salt to it so that it won't taste bland when the final dish is cooked. Pull out some tomatoes, the staple of all North Indian dishes. Give them a good wash and then chop them so that a puree of the tomatoes can be made by the time both the palak, the spinach and the raw beans get cooked. Spinach is evenly cooked and it's almost ready for entering the mixie for a blend. Get the tomatoes ready for the puree. A few green chilies, coarsely chopped, which enter the puree along with the tomatoes. You can just cut it into 2 or 3 pieces at the most. Turn the stove off for the spinach and then just give it a final stir. Just lid it for a while, or you may keep it open also. Check the progress of the raw beans. They also seem to be amply cooked. Now we can just bring out the spinach, which has just come to a simmer, and make it ready for blending. Just ensure that maximum water is taken out. You can strain the remaining things and keep the water aside, which can be used in the cooking to improve consistency of the dish. Light another stove, drop in a couple of dollops of butter. We are using Amul salted butter here. So since it is already salted, ensure that the amount of salt you are going to add is moderate according to this. We are going to add the standard tadka masalas, that is the cumin seeds, red chili, a little bit of hing and mustards, some haldi, and let them come to a crispy golden brown fry. So the tomato puree is added to the dish. The water which we already have taken from the cooking of spinach, just lid it, stir it, pour it in. This is the time for blending the spinach which has waited for a while. Add some salt to taste, a little bit of amchur. Let us add a little bit of the standard staple, the commercial masala. It can be garam masala, whichever commercial name they have it. You can add a little bit of water to improve the consistency as the mix cooks. And once this cooks, we're going to add the pre-cooked salted kacha rajma. Keep stirring it occasionally to ensure that the edges don't get crusted. Again, keep stirring occasionally. Let the rajma cook in the blended purees of tomatoes and palak for a while. This divine looking dish is exuding exquisite aroma. Lovely. If you found my video interesting, please press the thumbs up button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for further notifications of new videos. Thank you.